Ito po yung product, ano, so yung iTerra Care. There are three types of it, yung Classic, Premium, at saka Pro. So the Classic, ang pagkakaiba nila is the usage. Like the Classic have 30 minutes of usage and then you have to rest it for 10 minutes. The Premium, you can use it for 3 hours and then you have to rest it for 5 minutes. And the Pro, unlimited ang usage niyan. The Classic and the Premium, meron po siyang heat na nilalabas. Yung Pro, meron siyang heat tsaka cold na nilalabas. So, ang inventor niyan si Yang Wen-jun. Ano? So, itong product na to ay patented. It's a German, Malaysian, Chinese technology na produkto. At ang ginawa po nila dun sa product natin is meron siyang 3-in-1 core technology. It's a simple blower. Pero ang binubuga niyang hangin, kakaiba. 3-in-1. Ano yun? Meron siya number 1, yung terahertz. Ang terahertz resonates with our cells. Na, ang frequency ng cells natin at saka yung terahertz magkapareho. So they can actually, the terahertz will activate the cells at saka yung mga dormant cells and eliminate yung mga bad mutating cancer and free radical cells. Okay? So, ang terahertz, mamaya explain ko pa yan, napakagandang science niyan. Pero terahertz is actually commonly used sa airports. Airports, di ba, pag pumunta ka sa airport, may bagahe ka. Di naman nila bubulot-latin yung bagahe mo eh. Pero they can see kung meron kang dalang bawal. Because terahertz can pass through objects. Yan siya. So, akala natin X-ray yun. Hindi po yun X-ray. Yun ay terahertz ang tawag dun sa technology na yun. Ano? So, widely used na siya. And right now, research shows na pareho sila ng frequency ng cells natin. Okay? And yun ang nagre-resulta sa magandang product na ito. Further, meron din itong quantum technology. Yung quantum naman, it generates scalar energy that energize our cells, increases energy field around it, and produce healing energy and passes through any object through quantum entanglement. So, pagka-blow mo ng blower, hanggang sa bone marrow mo, inaabutan niya ng terahertz, 20 to 30 centimeter. Tapos yung quantum, ang gagawin niya, i-charge niya cell mo. Siyang mag-generate ng scalar energy dyan. Ano? Okay? Tapos, yung pangatlong impact niya, yung optical quartz. Yung optical quartz, minerals yan. It amplifies the frequency generated by device, made of hundreds of exclusive minerals ingredients. This core component is produced through high temperature molding technology reaching almost 2,000 degrees temperature. Mimics 1/4 of the sunlight's energy and it strengthens auric field in the body. Ang galing. Pag binublow mo siya, para kang nagpapaaraw. Can you believe that? So, di ba maganda yung araw sa katawan? Ang ganda nun. So, right now, you have a way to communicate to the cells through frequency, quantum, energize the cell, at saka optical quartz, mimics the sunlight. So, yan ang pinagsama-sama. Kaya pag binlow yan sa katawan mo, grabe ang resulta. Okay? Mamaya, I'll tell you more about it. So, the product is result of 8 years of development, research and development. Meron siyang product design patent, safety inspection patent, report, quality inspection, accuracy test report, radiation test report, at mga clinical studies. Marami po siyang pag-aaral na ginanap. So, here's a thing. Ito yung frequency. Ano? So, frequency na terahertz. Right? In 2004, the US government named terahertz technology as one of the top 10 technologies that will change the future. Okay. So, there are different types of frequency kasi. Number 1, radio frequency. So, radio frequency, ito yung pag ginagamit mo yung radyo. Dalhin mo sa channel, mag-work kasi same frequency. Radio frequency is also being used sa TV, sa remote. Pag linipat mo yung channel, lipat ang frequency. It's also being used saan? Sa internet. Right now, we are in different location, pero we can be in this Zoom because we're in one frequency. Okay? Napaka-powerful nung ma-develop ng tao ang frequency. Unlimited ang potential. Okay? So, microwave frequency, meron din, di ba? So, when you use the microwave, in 5 minutes, mainit na yung pagkain mo. Di ba? Yung galing sa freezer, i-defrost mo sa microwave, in 5-10 minutes, defrost na siya. Okay? So, that's microwave frequency. Tapos, meron terahertz frequency. Terahertz frequency, gaya na sinabi ko, ginagamit siya sa medical equipments, aviation, drinking water, and other social environment and life fields. Kasi non-ionic ito. Okay? Very safe sa katawan natin. Kaya nga siya ginagamit sa airports eh. Yan siya. Ano? So, meron ding frequency na infrared, pero yan ay mga harmful na. Ultraviolet, X-ray, at saka yung gamma. Yan ay mga radioactive frequency na. So, yung ating ginagamit, yung gitna po, yung terahertz frequency. Okay? So, tandaan mo, every cell in your body is a battery. Lahat ng cells natin, baterya. So, ano ba ginagawa natin sa baterya? We charge it, we activate it, and we optimize it. Yan yan. So, gaano ang karami ang kuryente ng isang cell? 80 to 100 millivolts ang isang normal cell. Ang isang weak cell, 50 to 60 millivolts. At ang isang bad cell is 20 to 5 millivolts. Okay? Ngayon, kapag ang isang cell ay weak or bad cell, ang magiging part niyan, ang mangyayari niyan, teka, may nag-chat-chat. Yeah, okay. Ang mangyayari diyan kapag mainit yung iyong mahina ang kuryente, millivolts ng cell, aagaw siya ngayon ng kuryente doon sa ibang cells. So mangyayari, mag-aagawan sila. Okay? So kapag yan ay nasa isang organ, ang mangyayari diyan, hihina yung organ na yon. Okay? So, kung nangyari yan sa iyong kidney, magkakaroon ka ng kidney problem. And kapag ang bad cell, actually ang bad cell po ay cancer cell. Ano? So, simple lang. So, our device, charge the cell and optimize it. Okay po? Ngayon, paano nangyayaring resonance? Ang resonance, ganito lang siya. Okay? Kapag magkaiba yung frequency, hindi magbabibrate yung golf ball. Pero, eto, sorry. Ayan. 512 versus 440. Wala nangyayari sa ping pong ball. Sorry. Okay. Pero pag ginamit mo, same frequency, 440 versus 440, nagva-vibrate. What does it mean? When you blow the device sa iyong katawan, magba-vibrate yung mga cells mo ng 100 million of vibrations per second. Kaya nagigising yung mga dormant cell. Ano? So, napakasimple. The science is there. We focus to the cell. Okay, paano yan? Di ba nung unang panahon, paano charge yung mga cellphone? We put wires on them, right? Saksak mo, magiging, matcha-charge ang cellphone. Ngayon, meron ng wireless charging. Hindi na natin kailangan ng wire. Nung unang panahon, ang tao gagamutin through medication. Ang cells pakakainin through food and food supplement, di ba? I'm not saying hindi natin kailangan ng food supplement at saka food, Pero right now, we have frequency that can pass through straight away dyan. Kasi marami nagiging hindrance kapag ang iyong pangangatawan is hindi healthy. Tapos kumakain ka ng healthy. Kasi hindi siya na-absorb ng katawan properly. So, hindi ka sure kung makakaabot siya to your cells. Ganun siya. Hindi ka sure kung umaabot pa yung nutrition dun sa mga dapat niyang puntahan. So, itong ating produkto, it goes straight to the cell through the power of terahertz, through the power of frequency. We can pass through on it. Now, sabi ni Hippocrates, those who cannot be cured by medicine can be cured by surgery. And those who cannot be cured by surgery can be cured by fire. Sabi niya, if there's a way to hit the bones, then all diseases can be treated. Hindi niya sinabing some diseases. Ang sinabi niya, all diseases. Lahat daw. Kaya pala ang tao, pag pumupunta ng hot spring, pumupunta sila, nagpapaaraw or nagbi-beach sa mainit, they feel good. Okay? So right now, we are living on that technology. Kasi pag binlower mo yan, mainit yung ating hangin. And through terahertz, quantum, at saka optical quartz, grabing nadidevelop sa katawan natin. At si Hippocrates, sinabi niya to 25 centuries ago. We are now living on that technology. Ayan siya. So, paano gamitin? I-blow mo lang dun sa iyong spine. Okay? Tatamaan dyan yung mata, yung mga glands, yung ating aorta, yung puso, lahat yan, broncho, yung lungs natin, stomach, okay? Liver, gallbladder, pancreas, lahat yan tinatamaan. Hanggang dun sa sexual organ. Okay?